So we're at the park area, and this is where I take Phantom for his daily exercise. And I have his favorite ball. And we don't want any fat Newfies, do we? So you want to fetch your ball, mister? Okay, go get it! Good boy. You want to bring it back? Oh. What you doing? Phantom, we didn't really play that much. What you doing, mister? Don't you want to play anymore? Oh, good Lord. That's a Newfie for you. First he wants to play, and then he lays in the snow. Yes, we still have snow, and they're calling for more on the weekend. Don't we just love it, right, Phantom? Happy Newf, happy Mama. Want to put your ball down? Want to put your ball down so we can play some more? Come on, Phantom. Come on. Good exercise. Okay, want to get your ball? Go! Oh, jeez. This dog just cracks me up. I have so much fun with him. Want to bring it to Mama? No? Want to bring your ball to Mama? Phantom, are you ignoring me again? That's just a Newfie thing. You don't want to bring it to Mama? All right, we'll sign off then. Cheers from Montreal, everyone. Stay safe. Stay safe, Phantom.